Next, we need to know what is empty set. Set the month with 32 days. There is no month with 32 days. If M represents the set of months with 32 days, mean M is the empty set. Empty set is also called a null set. The symbol pi and with this empty set. These two symbols represent empty set. You can write M equal to pi or M equal to empty set. Describe each of the following. Okay. What is the element of a set? I want to explain. Let's say set A is a local fruit in Malaysia. So this is a symbol represent is an element of a set. Durian is an element of A. Apple is not a local fruit. So apple is not an element of set A. So symbol is not an element of the set A. Symbol is element of is called epsilon. Look at example number 2 in the textbook. Given that P is a prime number and between 0 to 20, complete each of the following using the symbol element of or not element of. P, you list all the elements of P. P is prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So 5 elements of P. F is not element of P. 19 element of P. 1 is not element of P. Prime number mean the number only can be divided by itself or 1.